Welcome to the third lecture of Let's Excel series at TrendBends. I'm Divanshu Kapoor, your mentor. Now, at this sheet, if you look, there are four cells which have some numbers written on it, up to two decimal places. How do we remove the decimals? We'll just select the data and we'll click on decrease the decimal point. Can you spot my cursor? It is here and I'm decreasing the decimal point. If I want to increase it, I can increase the decimal point. However, I have some more interesting thing for you. If I say that these numbers are actually dates, probably you would not believe me. But I insist, believe me, these are dates. What has happened here? If you select this data, each data has a particular data type. This data type is of number form. Now this number format which is there, we need to change it and we have to select the date format. Once I do that, you can see these are proper dates. This is 29th March 1987, 23rd March 87, 1st June 2019 and 25th April 2022. Now, why has Excel, when this data was earlier represented in the number format, why did Excel convert it into some numbers? There must be some logic basis which it has converted this into this form. So these numbers are nothing but the number of days from 1st January 1990. 1st January 1900, sorry. This is the first date as per MS Excel. As per Microsoft people, this is the first date. If I convert it into a number, you will see it is 1. So what would be 2nd January 1990? 1900, sorry. So let's convert it into 2 and convert it into a date format, and you see it is 2nd January 1900. Right? It was a Monday then. Let's put 98 here. So in the year 1900, so since the first month is January, so the number of days are January plus February. This was a leap year, so it is going to be 29. Then March, again 31, right? This is 91. So let's calculate the difference between these two numbers. It is 7. So the date 98 would be 7th of April 1900. Let's convert this into a date. So there are two date formats, short date and long date. I'll convert it into a long date format, and you see it is 7th April 1900. So how Excel works for Microsoft Excel? For Microsoft, the first date from where it has been referenced upon is 1st January year 1900. So if you see any number in any data set and the column is highlighted as date of birth, please remember that number represents the difference between that date and 1st January 1900. That is the number of days. So you just have to select that data and convert it into the date format. That's it in lecture 3, guys. Thank you for attending this session. Please click on subscribe button and give a like and a thumbs up if you are really liking our videos. We'll be presenting many more. Until then, gracias and adios. Hasta luego.